R.Sakthivel. We are coming from Kerala. Actually, our products are actually made up of 100% natural products. It is a natural extracts. In this, wherever you using chai, we can use it as a just one drop. For 100 ml of chai, just one drop is enough to flavor the chai. And also for making milks, desserts, and then for pizzas, burgers, we are giving a perfect solution. It is a natural products, and we don't have any preservatives, artificial flavors, all those things. Even if they're using the spice powders, there will be some percentage of preservatives. But here we are giving 100% natural products, and it is very good for health. And we are actually looking forward for the future. In future, there will be no artificial flavors. So it is a starting step we are focusing on. Store actually, our factory is in Cochin, Kerala. And also throughout the pan India, we are supplying to Amazon, Flipkart, and also now we are operating to distributor channels. Actually, we have an Insta page and Facebook page, and also we have in Amazon, Flipkart. So through that we can buy. If you want bulk, we can send the directly to your address. Yeah, it was a good expo. Actually, we have been focusing on only bulk sales, but through this expo, we are that small bakers, household bakers, are came to know about our products because they are very easy to use. Thank you.